Yes. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, today exercise 8.2. Have you learned the table? Have you learned the table?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Question number 1, first part. Sin 60 cos 30. Sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree sir. Question number 1, first part. Sin 60 degree, sin of 60 degree, cos of 30 degree plus sin of 30 degree and your cos of 60 degree. Cos of 60 degree. Okay? Yes. Please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Yes. Switch on your camera.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Avinash Kumar, am I audible to you? Yes. What is the value of sin 60 degree?
Sir, root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Very good. Yes. Priya Tiwari.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the value of cos 30 degree?
Sir is also 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Very good. Next. Subham Jadhav. What is the value of sin 30? Sin 30. 1 upon 2. Have you learned the table? Yeah. Searching in the book.
Yes, sir, we have learned the table.
Okay, very good. What is the value of cos 60 degree? Pragati.
Sir, 1 by 2.
Very good. Now we have put the value. Now we'll solve it and find the answer. Root 3 into root 3.
3 upon 4.
3 upon 4 plus. That is 1 by 4. What is the LCM?
4 by 4. 4 plus.
3 plus 1. And it becomes 4 by 4. That is equal to 1. Please do it. Yes, now your next is second part. Have you done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Question number first, second part. 2 tan square 45 degree. 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Okay? True. What is the value of tan 45 degree?
So 1.
1. Okay. That is 1 square. Square. What is the value of cos 30? Cos 30. Root 3 upon 2 square minus what is the value of sin 60?
Root 3.
Root 3 upon 2 square. Now solve it. Square of 1 is 1 plus root 3 by 2 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4, that is 2.
2.
Solve it.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Now your fourth part is, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, okay.
सर एक मिनट बच्चों से बात कर लें प्लीज, आप नया क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट।
Yes. Fourth part. Your sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec of 60 degree that is sec 30 degree cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree cos 45 degree. Okay, now we will use the table and put the values, and after putting the values we will solve it, simplify it. Now value of sin 30 is
1 by 2.
yes tan 45 1. Cosec 30 is the reciprocal of cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sin 60. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 and cosec 60 2 by root 3. Okay. Yes. Sec 30 reciprocal of cos 30 and cos 30 is equal to sin 60 root 3 by 2 2 by root 3. Okay. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Cos 60 is equal to sin 30, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Cot 45 is the reciprocal of tan 45, that is 1. Check कीजिए all values are correct or not.
Yes, sir, all are correct.
Okay.
Correct, sir.
Yes. Now we will take the LCM of numerator, that is 2 root 3. LCM of numerator.
2 root 3.
Yes. Now 2 root 3 divided by 2, it becomes root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 divided by root 3, that will become 4. Yes. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Yes.
No, sir.
Now take the LCM of denominator and solve it. That is 2 root 3. LCM of denominator 2 root 3. Now 2 root 3 divided by root 3. 2 is the 4 plus
4.
2 root 3 divided by 2.
Root 3.
That will be root 3.
Plus root 3.
Yes, plus 2 root 3.
Plus 2 root 3.
Okay.
Plus 2 root 3.
Yes, solve it. So,
Yes, sir.
so now it becomes root 3 plus 2 root 3.
3 root 3.
It becomes 3 root 3 minus 4 2 root 3.
Upon 2 root 3.
Yes. Root 3 plus 2 root 3. 3 root 3 plus 4 divided by 2 root 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now 3 root 3 minus 4 2 root 3
3 root 3 plus 4.
plus 2 root 3 3 root 3 plus 4. That is cancel
Yes,
out.
sir.
That is cancel out. Now it becomes 3 root 3 minus 4 and 3 root 3 plus 4. Now we have to finish the square root from the denominator. How can we finish the square root from the denominator? Rationalization. Rationalization. Yes. You have already studied the topic rationalization in 9th standard from chapter number 1. In rationalization, what can you do? If there is plus sign change into minus sign, and minus sign change into plus sign.
Change it to plus sign and we will multiply with the opposite signs whatever
Yes.
is given.
Yes, 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. Same number multiplied and divided. Now a minus b,
Now it becomes 3 root 3 minus 4 to the whole square.
Yes.
When you are teaching them, tell not to speak. Everyone is speaking continuous.
Yes.
We can't hear you.
A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Apply the identity. A minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b, e minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Now apply the identity. A square plus b square minus 2 a and b. It becomes 9 3 are 27. Square of 3 is 9. 9 3 are 27. 27 minus 16. Okay.
Yes.
Now it becomes 9 3 are 27 plus 16 minus 2 3 are 6 6 4 are 24. 24 root 3. That is 11.
Yes.
Now it becomes 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Please check the answer.
Correct, sir.
May I write it here?
Correct.
इसको मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है? 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. Do it fast.
Sir, done.
Do it fast.
Sir, done.
Question number first, fifth part. Five cos square 60 degree. 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 4 sec square 30 degree
Minus tan square 45.
minus tan square 45 degree. Five cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree plus sin square 30 degree and cos square 30 degree. Cos square 60. Cos 60 sin 30
7 by 2.
plus 4 sec 30 cos 30 yes, that is sec 30 cos 30 sin 60 2 by root 3 tan 45 degree 1. Okay, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay, Now, yes, Priya Tiwari. What is the value of sin 30? What is the value of sin 30?
So it is 1 by 2 square.
1 by 2 square. Very good. Arpit Misra. What is the value of cos 30?
Sir, value of cos 30 is 3 upon
Cos 30. Yes.
Sir, root 3 upon 2.
Very good. Very good. Root 3 upon by 2 square. Now we have put the values and now we simplify it. Simplify it. Okay.
5
Yes.
1 4.
The square of 1 by 2 is
1 by 2.
Mohammad Afzal.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Very good. 1 by 4. Yes. Plus 4. And square of 2 by root 3.
4 by 3.
Digvijay Singh. Digvijay Singh. Am I audible to you?
4 by 3.
4 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 4 by 3.
4 by 3.
Yes. Minus 1. Square of 1 by 2 is
1 by 4.
Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Am I audible to you? Square of 1 by 2.
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Very good. Plus Piyush Singh. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Square of root 3 by 2.
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Very good. Now we'll solve it. Okay. Yes. 5. That is 5 by 4. It becomes 16 by 3. That is minus 1. And it becomes LCM is
4 upon 4.
LCM is your 4. It becomes 1 plus 3. Now LCM is your LCM of 4 and 3.
12.
12.
12.
Okay. Now 12 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 3 4s are 12. 4 16 4s are 64. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. It becomes 1 2s are 12. 12 1s are 12.
Minus 12.
Yes. Now 4 by 4. 4 by 4. Yes. Now it becomes 79 minus 12 upon 12. That is your 67 by 12. 67 by 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Third part, can you do in homework?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Have you done or not?
Sir,
Okay. Question number 2, first part. Question number 2, first part. Two tan 30 twice of tan 30 plus 1 plus 10 square 30. Solve it and find that which option is correct. A, B, C and D. Which option is correct? Now solve it. Put the values. 10, 30. 10, 30 is
Sir, 1 by root 3.
Yes. That is 1 by root 3 square. It becomes 2 by root 3. So it becomes 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay. Now
Yes.
2 by root 3. LCM is, your LCM is 3. 3 plus 1. Any doubt, any problems?
Sir, it's option number 1.
Yes. Okay. But first solve it. That is 2 by root 3. That is 4 by 3. It becomes 2 by root 3. 3 by 4. 2 ones are 2. And 3 can be written as 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into 2. It will cancel out. In table root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 sin 60 या cos 30. Sin 60 या root cos 30. Which option is sin 60? That is equal to sin 60. Your option A is correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Option A is correct.
Sir, in the second question, option B is correct. That is 0.
Okay. Second part, can you do in homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Third part.
Yes.
Now fourth part. Fourth part is. Two, 10, 30. Yes. Third one. Yes. Sin 2a.
कोई प्लस करेंगे और फिर कहीं प्लस हुआ तो उसका नजर का सुखा होगा इस वजह पूरा मिला
Sin 2a. Sin 2a. 2 sin a. 2 sin a is true when a is. If you will take the value of a. If a is option A is 0 degree. Please check that at 0 degree sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Yes or no? Sin 2a. 2 sin of 0 degree. Sin 2 of 0 degree sin 0 and 2 sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 0 is 0. It becomes 0. So option A is correct. If option A was not correct, then you will put the value of 30 degree. Sin 2 into 30, that is sin 60 degree. 2 sin 30, please check it. But your option A is already correct. Okay. अगर ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट नहीं होता तो ए की जगह क्या करते हैं 30 डिग्री पुट करते हैं, आप ही चेक करते हैं. ओके. एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स? Yes.
Sir, but
Yes. 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 Yes, Pragati.
sir, my question is that sir, अगर हम यहाँ पे मतलब अगर दिया जैसे कि 2 sin 2a equal to 2 sin a, तो सर लेकिन ऑप्शन बी रखने से भी आंसर करेक्ट ही आ रहा है।
कभी एक बार ऐसे कैसे आ सकता है?
हाँ सर।
Sin 2a and your 30 degree. A is 30 degree.
Yes.
2 sin of 30 degree. Yes. It becomes sin 60 degree and twice of sin 30 degree. Okay. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 and 2 sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. How is possible? Root 3 by 2 is not equal to 1.
Yes, sir, I know this.
Yes. Any problem? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Your option A is correct. Fourth
So
part.
on the fourth question, option C is correct. Tan 60.
अच्छा, fourth part you can do in homework.
Yes, sir, Bobby.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 3 is, please do the example in homework. All example in homework. Okay. Now question number 3 is, question number 3. Tan of a plus b is equal to root 3. In a table, in tan root 3 at which angle? tan की टेबल में root 3 tan 60. Yes.
Tan 60.
Yes, tan of a plus b, tan of 60 degree. We can replace root 3 as tan 60.
Yes.
Yes. Now tan same, then angle will be equal. That is angle a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Equation first. Any doubt? Any problems?
Sir.
No, sir.
Now tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. In a table, 1 by root 3 come in tens table. Yes.
And 30.
Tan of a minus b is equal to tan of
This equation will become 30. A minus b equals to 30.
a minus b is 30 degree. Now you are expert to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables and find out the value of a and b.
A is
a
45.
plus b is 60 degree. That is equation first. A minus b is 30 degree. Yes. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get.
2a is equal to
First
9.
and second.
Sir, A is equal to 45.
Yes.
45 degree.
That is cancel out. Twice of a is equal to 90 degree. Now a becomes 90 divided by 2. That is your 45 degree. Okay. Yes. Putting a is equal to 45 degree in equation first and find out the value of b.
B is 15.
Putting
15, sir.
yes.
15.
Putting a is equal to 45 degree in equation first and find out the value of b. Yes. 45 plus b. 45 plus b is equal to 60 degree. Now b is equal to 60 minus 45 degree. So the value of b is 15 degree. Okay. Now A plus B. Yes. Please read the question. Now A plus B is greater than 0 degree and A plus B is less than equal to 90 degree. Your A plus B is 60 degree, that is greater than 0 degree but less than equal to 90 degree. This condition is satisfied or not? And A is greater than B. Yes, A is greater than B. A 45 degree, B 45, B 15 degree. So A is greater than B. And find the value of A and B. All the condition is satisfied, and value of A is 45 degree and value of B is 15 degree. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. In next class, in 7th period, I will start the next topic, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.